Loaded Savvy Navvy for the first time on this little inexpensive tablet. Intuitive, really impressed. Well done Savvy Navvy, keep doing what you're doing.
Absolutely love it. This is the best navigation system I've found for a long time.
Hi, I'm Yelton, founder of Savvy Navvy. It's the new year and we're back on Seedrs. Last year was an amazing year for us. As Anna said,
this year is going to be epic.
We nailed that.
Now it's time for the next stage of our master plan.
With a reach of hundreds of thousands of boaters and growing, we are now able to help the wider marine industry by promoting businesses directly to actual boat owners.
Similar to Google Maps, where businesses can promote themselves, marine electricians, boatyards, boat shops, and many more can now reach boat owners directly on the map inside Savvy Navvy. Instead of intrusive and annoying pop-up ads, with promoted businesses, we've built an ad platform specific to the marine industry that adds value to boaters.
And it significantly increases our addressable market. With 20 billion euros being spent annually on marine equipment and accessories, Savvy Navvy's promoted businesses will bring us a solid additional revenue stream. To accelerate this, we're adding a free tier to Savvy Navvy for the US market, allowing anyone with a boat or even just a paddleboard to get the most from our platform.
This really cements our vision of Savvy Navvy in every boater's pocket, and it adds even more value to promoted businesses.
On the product side, we're continuing to innovate with features never before seen in this space, such as 3D terrain visualization, social elements such as following your boating friends' activities in real time and sharing your trips online, and a tighter integration with boat electronics, such as AIS overlay, NMEA connectivity, anchor alarms, and much, much more.
I'm extremely proud of what the team has accomplished so far. We're basically transforming the way that boaters interact while out on the water. And as we work closer with boat manufacturers, we believe we can become the CarPlay of the marine industry. If 2021 was epic, 2022 is going to be
monumental.